y'all? Predator fan? This is a really cool one-of-a-kind poster and one-of-a-kind frame I built myself, Epeius Garage. If you want to win it for free, stay tuned, watch the video. I'll tell you how it could be yours. One of my all-time favorite movies, definitely in my top 3, is Predator, the original Predator.
Son of a bitch. What's the matter? The CIA got you pushing too many pencils? Yeah. Stick around. If it bleeds, we can kill it. Oh! Get to the chopper!
As a matter of fact, funny as it may sound, I think it might have been a leading contributing factor as to why I joined the United States Marine Corps. Believe it or not. It made a lasting impression on me when I saw it when I was like 8 years old. My mom took me to the theater with my cousins, and I loved it ever since. Probably watched it easily 1,000 times. I like all the Predator, the whole entire franchise. Predator vs. Aliens, all those. However, I think the first one, in my opinion, is still the best. What's up, y'all? My name's Andy. This is Epeius Garage. I recently purchased a really cool Predator poster I saw on Etsy. I was gravitated to it, so I bought it. Now, I've got to show you how I'm going to frame it. Now, I'm not just going to make a regular plain Jane frame. I want it to go along with the Predator theme, so we're going to have to get creative. And I'm going to take you all along for the ride. Probably going to be some mess ups. I'm going to wing this the whole way, so I hope you enjoy the video. Oh, and if you're interested in what I was talking about at the beginning, the giveaway, then you're going to want to stay tuned. I'll tell you how you can win that poster that I bought, and I made the frame for it as well. Alright, now to make this frame, I've happened to have a bunch of cutoffs from the whiskey taps I've been making. If you haven't seen that video, it's probably my most popular video. Check it out. I'll link it in the description. However, it's left me with a bunch of cutoffs. Like this. Oak. Hey, why not? Perfect thing to use them for is a picture frame. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make my rabbits. I make my rabbits using a table saw. I just did a video on how I make my rabbits. Feel free to check it out. I'll link it in the description as well. And once I get my rabbits all cut, I go ahead and I figure out my 45-degree cuts. And I use that based on the size of the picture and the glass and everything I want in there. And then from there I just cut those cuts, 45 degrees. Once I get it all cut, I lay it out. I use tape to line them all up. And then I add glue to all the edges, and I bring them all together with the tape. And I also have a really cool picture frame strap. Works really well. I'm going to be using that on this as well. Once that is dry, I'm going to take it apart, and I'm going to go ahead and add some splines. I'm not sure what kind of splines I'm going to do yet. I may do the traditional ones on the corner, or I may do just the circular cutout ones on the back. I'm not sure yet. And lucky for me, I'm not going to go get glass. I have plexiglass hanging around from my squirrel feeders that I make. So I'm going to go ahead and use plexiglass as the glass piece for this frame. Now, I could sand it down, add a finish, and call it a day, be done with it. Go ahead and hang it up on the wall. However, I wanted this frame to be unique and to kind of go along with the poster. Now my thoughts is, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add writing around the frame. However, I'm not going to just add any writing. I'm going to use the writing from the movie, the Predator writing that you see in his countdown clock. That's the writing I'm going to use. From what I found on the internet, there's like 2 different fonts with different theoretical meanings. Now, what do I write? I don't know. I'm going to have to figure that out. Maybe some movie quotes? I don't know. We'll see. Leave it to me, but I actually misspelled one of the words. So now I gotta sand it off and add a letter into it. Great. Good job, Andy. See, I told you there'd be mistakes. Always are. It's all right. Happy mistakes, right? Happy mistakes. I don't know when mistakes ever turn out happy, to be honest with you. See if I can redo this the right way. Can't show you this because that would give it away. The letters. Now I can burn these back in and put the clear coat back on. Well, it took me like 5 minutes, not that big of a mistake. And then it'd be about done. Put the poster in them, put the backing on, call it a day. In case you're wondering what I'm using here, this is a Logan point driver. This is a great tool to have if you're making picture frames. This is how you drive the points into the back. I'll link it in the description if you like. They're pretty expensive, but it'll last forever. Points are inexpensive, and like I said, if you're doing picture frames, it's really nice to have. I'm gonna go ahead and add sawtooth hangers for mine. Again, I buy these on Amazon as well, and I can link these in the description if you like. Real simple. I just find the center of the picture frame, 5 1/16 roughly. Close. Then just using a small tip driver. That's really about it. Ready to hang. Pretty cool. Test hanging over here somewhere. Anyways, I'm really, really happy with it. I don't think I'm going to sell it. I think I'm going to keep this. I was thinking about selling it. I don't know, unless somebody just gave me like a ridiculous offer because they wanted it. But I will tell you that the Etsy shop that I got this from is no longer open. I was going to order another one of these, and that's what that poster was going to be. But they didn't have any more, so I had to find a different poster for the poster that I'm giving away. And if you're interested in winning that giveaway poster, I'll tell you how. At the beginning of this video, I told you there was a way where you could win this one. It's a little different. It's a little bigger. But you can win this 100% free. I'll ship it to you. No cost to you. It's yours. And I don't know if anybody cares, but on the back I put who made it, when I made it, and I went ahead and signed it. Not if anybody cares about my signature or not. All you got to do to win that poster is tell me what the writing says on this. I'll give you a hint. It's 2 sentences. Hold it here for just a second. You can also pause it. First person in the comments to tell me what both sentences say, and make sure you put the sentences in quotes so I know that's what you're saying, both of them. I'll get your info from you and ship it to you free of charge. Good luck.